Okay, this is actually the logo of the site. So logo that can be replaced by the logo of your company. So we have here the link, who we are, what we do, take action, use, donate. Then here we have what we call sub menu that you may be able to access. So education, curriculum, STEM outreach, robotics, take actions. Okay. And then this is actually a sample page, um, that is actually what being replaced. So just like for example, this is your main page that you would want to have, um, you want to preview to your client, to your viewer. Then it can move from one page to another. And then we have here pages, pages which is somehow similar to posting. Okay, so it is actually clickable. So this is the image for the monkey and so on and so forth. So, and then we can actually click load more, okay, so that we can preview more data or pictures and articles. Here we have who we are. This is a posting. We have picture content, and each content would have um, articles, most probably. Then here, recent posts, the archive, the recent comments. And then here, copyright 2016, it can be changed, it can be removed. Okay, so this is actually the page. So the moment I click how we run, so it will be given to us. Jobs, internship, same. No content yet, syempre. This is actually a sample site, okay, that we will modify later on. Okay. Then, if you would want to have, what do you call this, go back to the main, you can have that. Then, some buttons here are actually not yet present because it's not yet activated, but it can be activated anytime, such as you can have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and some social icons. So I think no. So donate, news, then we have gallery that can be accessed. So all these things are empty pages because we don't have any content yet, no? Or maybe the company is not yet giving us content for each pages. Okay, I hope this will give you an idea on how your site will be created. Okay, so logo that can be changed, banner that can change, maximum 5 pages or 5 banners. Okay, then these are what we call some pages, postings. Okay, so that's it.